Hey guys, showing you this Xqck dash cam 3 channel front and rear inside 1080 pixel, all the cameras and dual dash cam front and rear with a 2K plus 1080p, Wi-Fi with the app, free 32 gigs SD card and the LCD screen with it night vision. So you can see this is dash cam. So here like two cameras in the dash cam itself, and this is the third additional that you can put it with the wire for the back camera or anything else that you want to put. So this can go directly in here with this micro HDMI, and then the screen will pop up on the dash cam screen. So this is the charging or the power cable that comes, and you can put it in here and then one to the car to do that. So it have the loop recording and a G sensor. So there are the other accessories. There's a micro SD card also with it. This is the attachment goes on the car, so you can just put it in here, and this sticker can stick on the car window. So the manual. So this is nice with the app and everything. So setting up is easy and straightforward, and the app you can download from this QR code. And with this screen and the stuff, you can see like this holding is well, and we can also test that in the car. So you can adjust these cameras and the QR code for the app. So let's do that. So this is the app that is used for it, and once the app is done and installed, you can directly connect this with the camera. So here the micro SD card that is supplied with it, I add it in here. I take out the sticker, put it on the car screen, and then you can see like just power it on. So this is the auto power, and this is start up, and you can see the camera here. So the quality, because it's a bright day, so the menu and everything you can see from here, and you can see like the other two cameras on the top corners. So one is for this rear and the other one is for the back, so you can add it in it. So I will show. So clarity is really good. You can adjust these cameras based on your need. I didn't take out this cable, but this is long enough to start from your backup camera till front. When you add it, you can see the quality of this camera and the corner. So this is a nice GPS with 3 cameras, so that it will be very helpful.